Here we have the first hands-on unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra clone. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't even out yet, and a $72 clone is already on sale. Excitement around Samsung's next flagship lineup is building quickly. The Galaxy S26 series is set to launch next week, but in true internet fashion, a Galaxy S26 Ultra has already appeared online, just not the official one. Instead, it's a low-cost clone priced at roughly $72. A viral Instagram video showcases what appears to be a replica of the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. At first glance, it's surprisingly convincing. The rear camera module looks similar to previously leaked renders. The wallpaper matches rumored promotional images, and the overall finish appears premium enough to fool someone during a quick scroll. However, the internal hardware tells a very different story. This clone is reportedly equipped with just 3 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, specifications that feel outdated even for entry-level devices, let alone something pretending to be an Ultra model. While the listing claims 5G support, real-world performance is nowhere near what Samsung's flagship is expected to deliver. Naturally, it also lacks Samsung's software ecosystem. There's no Galaxy AI, no long-term software support, and no advanced camera optimization. It's simply a cosmetic imitation designed to take advantage of pre-launch hype. This trend isn't new. Affordable knockoffs often surface weeks or even months before major smartphone launches. They rely on leaks and rumors to attract buyers who may not notice the differences or are tempted by the extremely low price. From a distance, the design may look similar, but that's usually where the similarities end. Meanwhile, the genuine Galaxy S26 series is scheduled to debut at Galaxy Unpacked on February 25th in San Francisco. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Samsung just flexed Galaxy S26 AI speed, and it's unbelievably fast. Samsung has now demonstrated the Galaxy S26's AI image generation speed, and it looks seriously impressive. The latest teaser suggests that Galaxy AI has learned some new tricks, and that's where things start getting really exciting. In the new preview clip, Samsung highlights the AI image generation performance of the Galaxy S26 lineup. It appears to showcase Edge Fusion technology working in the background, allowing users to edit and create images instantly. This time, Samsung is presenting the feature in real-time action. The video shows a user entering a text prompt that gets processed within seconds. A man sitting casually types the prompt, "Add party animals." Although it's a promotional demo, the effect is shown live within the scene, rather than on a phone mock-up. Moments after entering the prompt, the system inserts realistic dogs into the environment, placing them naturally in the frame. The Edge Fusion solution is the key driver behind the Galaxy S26's upgraded AI editing experience. It enables on-device AI image editing and generation. The execution time is just a few seconds, elevating everyday experiences. In the videos released, Samsung also showcased fixing missing objects, generating new elements, and transforming pictures. These creative tools once required professional skills or hours of editing. Now, Samsung says this kind of editing is possible on the new Galaxy phones in just minutes. Beyond that, the entire system is powered by natural language, meaning you can simply tell your phone what to do in your own words. One video shows Galaxy AI restoring a missing bite on a cupcake in seconds. The image doesn't lose its aesthetics, texture, or shape. Everything looks natural. Another clip previews the AI-powered sketch-to-image feature, where a simple UFO sketch in the sky is transformed into a realistic object. A basic drawing becomes a real element in the photo. Lastly, a picture of a dog is turned into a beautiful sticker pack. It keeps the main subject intact while generating stickers in different poses and moods. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080 x 2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4900 mAh unit with 45 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.